Hi, Carl Stiglitz again. This is part 2 of a series of segments we're doing on our training systems we have here at the Control Engineering Panel Shop. This is one of our first trainers we built. This is typical of what we have in buildings. This is a Johnson DX controller. Essentially we have, and this would be typical of a air handling system. This does digital start stops. It has analog inputs and outputs. And this would be basically typical. What we have is analog inputs. These are actually temperature sensors. These are what's currently being used in the field. These temperature sensors are inputs. We make outputs according to these temperatures, and essentially these are just high-speed adding machines. Typically we have a set point. The sensors determine if we're above or below that set point. Are we moving towards or away from that set point? And that's essentially how this stuff works. We have digital outputs that these are simulated supply and return fan, start and stop. The supply and return fan, we have relays, electric damper actuators. We have protection devices to protect the air handling system, low limit or free stat, high static. If our duct static gets too high, this switch will trip, preventing damage to the HVAC system. Let's see if we can make this go. Oh, there we go. So what happened here is I reset our high static switch, which tripped, and we've since started our 2 fans. That supply fan status is also an input into our controller. So now the controller is going to basically start controlling. And these damper actuators are now going after a set point, and these move pretty slow. They typically have a 90-second stroke time, full open to full shut. But these are stroking going to a discharge air temperature set point. On the DX controller itself, these are wonderful because you can access points on your system, inputs, outputs, and you can do overrides on your system to basically troubleshoot it. Stuff is a lot of fun. It's typical. We literally have hundreds of these DX controllers on campus on our Johnson system. These basically talk to a master through a communication cable. Thanks.